What is up, guys? What's up? Welcome back to another video, guys. So today's gonna be a little short video. Well, I wouldn't say short, but we are working on the Trans Am, obviously, but we're not doing like a mod, like a performance mod or anything. It's more of a cosmetic mod for the wheels. As y'all know, I have the welds, and something that I always wondered, the center caps. The center caps, they look a little bulky. I really don't like that they stick out so much, but shit, I almost tripped. I ordered some new ones from Dedicated Motorsports. So these caps are supposed to sit like a little more flush with the Weld Wheels. They're made specifically for Weld Wheels, but we're gonna see if they fit on my wheels with the rear axle nut and everything. I should have measured, but I didn't measure. I just went ahead and ordered the stuff. I think they're like about $50 for a pair. So in total, after shipping for all four, I think I was about 122 shipping. So that was that. This is what they look like, actually. This is what they sent me in the box. These little O-rings. I don't know exactly what these are for, but we'll figure it out as we go. So this is what they look like. These are supposed to sit a little bit more flush with the wheel. And I actually like these a little bit better. I think it'll make it look different, something different than what everybody else has. I don't think I've seen these on many cars. But one thing that they do have an option for you to get like engraved, like a CTSV or some other logos, but man, they didn't have a Firebird on there. So I was thinking, man, if I could get like a Firebird engraved on this, that'd be awesome. So I don't know if anybody knows where I can get a Firebird laser engraved somewhere in the Fort Worth area, or not too far from the Fort Worth area. That'd be awesome. Get some Firebirds on here. I think that'll look pretty cool. This is what they're supposed to replace, so I think that'll look a little bit better. Car is dirty, wheels are dirty, don't mind that. So this is what I was talking about. Sometimes with this axle right here, I was looking on the descriptions, it might not fit, but looking at this, yeah, it looks like it's gonna fit. It's not gonna cause any issues or anything. So let's go ahead and take this one off and see what it looks like. I like that it's more flush, but I don't like that it's so plain. Like I said, it would be better if I could get like some Firebirds engraved on there. That would look awesome. But anyway, let's throw it back on. Anyway, guys, we're back. So it's later on throughout the day. I actually went ahead and washed the car because I wanted to show y'all exactly how it looked. I didn't want to show y'all with everything dirty and whatnot. So I went and washed the car, and I think they look pretty damn good. So I noticed the front caps sit more flush with the wheel than the back ones. I believe that's because of the offsets and stuff like that. But I mean, now that the car's washed and the wheels are clean, I think they look pretty legit, man. I think they look pretty cool. But like I said, I do want to get a Firebird engraved on them. I think that would look, I think it would just put it over the top. I think it would look way better. So as you can see, this one sits a little bit more flush with the wheel. Actually, there's like barely any sticking out. That's exactly what I wanted. That way you could get in here and clean all the wheel up, because with the other cap, you couldn't really get in there unless you had like a really small finger or something get in there. But I really like how this looks, the flush look. But I mean, that Firebird right here, that shit would look awesome. Let me show y'all the back. Like I said, this one doesn't sit as flush with the wheel, I guess just because of the offset, but I mean, they still look pretty cool. I like them, but Firebird will look a lot better on there. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. That's it for today. That's all we had. There is another mod that we are going to do, a suspension mod. I think you guys saw it over there in the garage. It's in the big old box. I'm not going to say what it is, but you know, just stay tuned and we'll get that one done. We'll see y'all later.